Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the C# programming. This is the tutorial number 11 about the for loop. Okay, how we can implement for loop. Now what you do, let's start. First enter the text first in the toolbox and drag text box like this. And right now I'm at here button, drag, and let's search combo box, COMB, like this, combo box. Okay, now let's delete this one. Okay, now select these three items and click to font. Let's change amount here 16. Okay, increase the size. Click to this one. Let's change the text. Text is button amount here for loop. Okay, this is your switch for loop. Okay, now this is text box 1. Let's change the tag name. Now I am at here value 1. Okay, enter value, enter user value, like this. Okay, this is your tag name, enter user value. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and the name is combox 1. Right now I'm at here combo, I'm at here combo result. Okay, everything is done. Now what you do, double click the for loop. Okay, now let's start to okay, now int 32 equal to deep. Okay, this is the variable. Now let's create a loop for deep equal to 0 and deep less than. Now right now have a two option. You can create a constant, any integer value. Otherwise what you do, you can choose this one also. This is your enter user value. Okay, now I'm choose here enter user value dot text. Okay, now deep plus plus. Okay, for increment. And you see this is error because this is a string data type. We need to convert into integer. Now what we do, let's do enter convert dot to int 32 like this. Like this. Okay, this is our for loop. Now I want to store value in this com box. Okay, now what you do, let's amend here combo result dot like you see have a text item select index. Okay, now choose items dot add range. Now I'm click to add or have a add range. I'm click to add. Okay, brackets. Now you need to enter like this variable, because in the loop this variable is store the value 0 to enter user value. Okay, now I enter deep like this one, like this. Okay, now everything is done. What you do, first save your project, build and build solution. Okay, yes, success. Now click to start and see what's output. Okay, now I'm at here, like I'm at here 3. Okay, and you see right now they have nothing. Now click to for loop, and now you see 0 1 2 3. Okay, because start from 0, that's why 1 2 3. Okay, now I am at here 5, and let's for loop, click to for loop, and you see 0 1 2, again 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, everything is done. Now what you do, let's enter here 100. Now click to for loop and you see the result. Okay, it's from 100. Okay guys, everything is done, and thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.